and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel Kindle Unlimited. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to cancel your Kindle Unlimited, all you gotta do is simply get logged in into your Amazon account. So once you are logged in into your Amazon account through a web browser, you can simply go to the membership and subscription section and find your Kindle Unlimited plan and simply cancel it by tapping on cancel membership. Otherwise, if you have purchased your Kindle Unlimited through your Play Store or App Store, you can simply go to your profile, go on payments and subscription, and in the subscription section you can find the option called cancel membership. Simply tap it on and you can simply cancel your membership of Kindle Unlimited. However, your access continues until the next billing date and you will not receive a refund for the current period. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.